Hey, we are back here with Professor Abram Ehrlich on psycho data depositories of knowledge per circumstance.
Right, so what did you want to ask?
Well, I was thinking about what circumstance could it be when this whole ritual takes place, and how do we actually access the purification of the soul or the psyche?
If you take the position of quantum physicists, that there are infinite dimensions and opportunities that extend infinitely in any direction, and then take into account what I'm proposing, that language is a mechanism in which we can extend and explore the infinity of opportunities and possibilities, and by calling things names, exploring, creating envisioning, imagining, and then exploring and defining and using language and law and systems and visualize whatever tools we have at our disposal, that creates our reality. Then yeah. So how does that answer your question?
My question was about the circumstance of that process of a ritual, and we had a point how we access that state of purification, or
Right. So there are mechanisms to refine and to create all sorts of different positions, psychological, neural positions for all sorts of different purposes. If you need to hunt, you have a certain position, and if you need to nurture, you have another position, and if you are preparing, you have another position. So the full array of various positions are so numerous. How does that answer your question?
okay, I was just saying, how do we access the state of purity?
Purity. So, how does one access any state? Through ritual. Ritual is a form of a predecessor, a archetypical a scaffolding or an impression of an idea, an imagination, a visualization of, or which either we have in the future or once happened, and therefore is translated to words or through theatre, and in that way is conveyed to individuals, and they have a visualization and the ability to connect it using words, using language to transfer imagination and to correlate it with an audio code. So once we have an impression, an idea of something, when we go through a process, a ritual process of reliving or something, or doing something in correspondence or in some sort of relationship with that picture, we can create a cascade, so to speak, as the two images, which are in part of the psyche, as they refract, one refracts through the other, there remains an imprint, a signature of the differences between them, which, if one can read it and one can decode what that means, so it can give an impression of a form of reality that we cannot otherwise see.